Hello everyone. And guess what? It is time. So I'm gonna try a Hangry Joe's spicy chicken. That is of course angry. Of course I ordered a sandwich, so I should get a piece of chicken. So yeah. I'll be taking dude. And yep. It's cool. Not gonna lie, but I could taste it. So yeah. Here goes. And 3 and the 2 and the 1 and bottoms up. Mm. No, I love this sandwich. It tastes like ghost peppers. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm about to watch some Gone Battle Brothers on YouTube. So yeah, thank you for stopping by. Hope you all have a good hell of the day. Peace out, and leave a like and subscribe. Put the bell icon and put the comments down below, and have a great day.